Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm a single mom, and I work full-time, and I lead a pretty busy life, and for the most part ate anything I wanted to, but was caused a lot of discomfort in my chest. I came to the doctors because I kept having chest pains. I first had my heart checked, and it wasn't my heart. Finding out from having an endoscopy, found that I had Barrett's. I used to get a lot of chest pains from the Barrett's and a lot of reflux or choking, gagging sensation, and but mainly the chest pains. And he suggested that I have a Stretta after a few years of being on medication. I used to have to take medication, several medications, and some of them were 3 times a day after each meal. One of the liquids was 3 times a day after each meal, just to coat the esophagus and the stomach. Then I had my first Stretta in 2003. It was a simple procedure, and I bounced back pretty much right away. The very next day, I believe, I was able to go back to work, felt fine. It takes about a week before you really feel that you can tell the symptoms are gone, and they did go away for a little bit, but I remained on medication. The improvement, although there wasn't an improvement to the cells yet at that point in time, the improvement in symptoms lasted for about 5 years. And when the symptoms started getting worse again, we did a second Stretta. And the second Stretta laid me up for about a week. I just felt sick afterwards, wasn't able to eat and things like that. But once the healing started, then my symptoms went away and I was taken off of all of my medication. And that lasted for quite a few years without any medication. After the second Stretta was when I was told that the cells that had switched over to the Barrett's were then healing as opposed to the first one. Feeling better to me means that I don't have to miss out on going places with my kids or have to lay down because after I've eaten I'm not feeling so well. I can pretty much go out to dinner now where I used to not be able to because it would just cause so much discomfort before the Stretta. I just don't have to worry about where I'm going, that I'm going to get sick or uncomfortable after a meal. And so my quality of life is much better after the Stretta. After the second Stretta, I didn't have the need for any medication for quite a while, for many years, and just really gave me a feeling of security that it was much better and I didn't have to worry about it anymore.